Mafia.
It's your boy Sofa.
It's your boy Shine.
And it's your girl Nisha. And we are back with another video, y'all. So today we're going to have a little mukbang or mukbang, whatever it's called, going on. So we got some food from a little place called Tunis here. And I got some tenders, some fries, and some shrimp.
I have a cheeseburger, some fries, and I put some ketchup on the fries.
And I also have tenders, fries, and shrimp.
Twinning with the food.
Pretty cute.
But alright. So what we gonna talk about today, y'all?
Alright, so let's talk about Antonio Brown raping a female back then. So like, I feel like it's not true because he been in the league for a good time and she should have been sued him for that because he been rich. That all makes sense.
I mean, I feel where you're coming from, but then again, the only reason that I feel like it really matters now is because it's the Me Too. It's still post Me Too movement, and you know, women always have the upper hand when it comes to cases like that. To be completely honest, so I mean, I'm not really biased in the situation. I mean, I feel kind of bad for Antonio Brown because it kind of makes him look bad, and you know, it looks bad on his reputation, but. Like, I never seen him as that kind of guy. So.
I wanted to say, like, I do think they should, like, thoroughly investigate for real, instead of just taking a woman's word. Because it's a lot of times that they come out and they be like, oh, I lied, I lied. And it's bad for the football player because their reputation already messed up. Like, no matter if they get cleared, people will still gonna be like, when you say Antonio Brown, oh, the one who raped somebody? Like, no. So.
And also, they took away his helmet endorsement because of that, because they didn't want to be part of it.
Yeah. So they're taking money out that man's pocket. So.
Pretty green.
All right, let's talk about. Let's talk about supervillains.
Supervillain.
Who's your favorite supervillain?
I don't think I have a favorite supervillain. I have to say I have a favorite superhero though.
Okay,
for
superhero.
Sure. My favorite superhero is Batman.
Really?
Yes. I have Batman pop socket on my phone.
Oh yeah. I can't really get into Batman like that. Like.
I like Batman. I watched all the movies.
I can't. I just watched Dark Knight. Don't judge me, y'all. I just watched The Dark Knight and Suicide Squad today, and I only watched it because I like the Joker.
Well, I'm not really one of those crazy Batman fans. You know, some Batman fans are kind of like delusional and stuff like that. But no, Batman is definitely my favorite superhero. For sure.
What about you, Sean? Supervillain or superhero?
Favorite superhero is of course Spider-Man.
Oh.
Because when I see Marvel Civil War, that boy Spider-Man was going crazy. Like, that boy smacking everybody. And when Iron Man gave him the suit came with superpowers, like super shrimp. And here they got webs, so he'll just throw a name down, web him up, and the police can get him. So that was pretty raw. About them boys, they collabed.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite superhero or supervillain?
I would say I don't really have a favorite superhero. But I can tell you my top 3 supervillains that I just fell in love with.
Okay.
First is Joker. I love Joker.
Right.
And then Deadshot. I really like Deadshot. He was funny. And then Harley Quinn. Yeah.
Right. So my favorite superhero is just favorite supervillain.
Yeah. want to know y'all general like opinions on relationships, like how you generally feel about relationships right now and your point in life.
I'm sorry. I couldn't answer because this burger is bomb right now. This burger is good. But, me personally, right now, with relationships, I don't really have much to say about relationships because me personally, I don't really want to be in one. But I mean, they are a good thing if you are in one and you're faithful to that one person. Y'all know each other. It's nothing that was rushed. It's nothing that was forced. Stuff like that. As long as everything's genuine and you and that person know each other, I feel like everything works out. I feel like that's always the best way to be. Should always be best friends before you decide to try to be life partners.
I agree on that 100% because when you get in a relationship and then you starting to find out who that person is, it go bad if you don't like who that person is. Like, it's good to get to know who you're dealing with before you start dealing with them, because that can save you a whole lot of unnecessary time waste or anything like that. Like, some people be totally different when you get with them if you don't spend that much time learning about them. They can act like they somebody else, but the true colors start to show after a while. So I do believe that it's best to be like friends and get to really know each other before being in anything committed.
So like how I feel about relationships is like when you young, like very young, like in the teens, you shouldn't take them like too serious unless you like ready to go serious, because
Right.
people be cheating a lot and all that stuff. And like if y'all go to different schools, of course your significant other might be getting touched on, which nobody want those, obviously. And like she could just be too friendly. I know some people don't like friendly, other than some people might do, but I don't like no friendly female because you mine and you mine. That's it. But you ain't gotta be mean to everybody. Just don't be too brother and sister type job.
Yeah. I get what you're saying. Like, I do agree with that too. Like, when you young, you do not have to be in a committed relationship. It is okay to live your life. Y'all could just have fun. It's not that serious. Because people be lying to your face because they want to have you, the next person, the next person, the next person. And that's not fair to nobody in that situation. But for me, how I feel about relationships right now in my life, like, I'm pretty much good by myself. Like, I love myself so much right now. And I'm peaceful by myself. So I just think, it's good to find that self-love first before you try to be committed to anybody. So that's where I'm at right now.
Cool beans, buddies.
Golly.
I mean, you know what I'm saying? That was good. It was burgers and fries. Y'all had chicken tenders, fries, extra.
I ain't even touch a chicken tender yet, and I'm full off these fries.
Raymond did those. Alright, so I'm gonna talk about 2K20. Or just 2K in general. So like my favorite 2K of all time was 2K17 because the dribbling was just amazing. Like you could do whatever you want, like momentum spam, all that. And you could shoot with any player. But that was kind of kind of cheap because a rebounded center can shoot threes better than a sharp shooting any build with shooting. All they needed was some boosts, hot spots, and they green it from everywhere.
Niggas that buy boosts are trash to me. Like you really have to buy boosts like you garbage.
Right.
But I mean, I like 2K20. I've been playing 2K20 like I ain't gonna say religiously, but I haven't on it.
Okay.
Anyway,
You like, I can't come over because I'm gonna play 2K20. Or about football period, he like, I can't come over. I'm about to watch football.
But listen,
What?
y'all know when football come on, what else am I supposed to do? I'm not supposed to watch it.
Mm-mm.
If I get a chance to play 2K, I'm not supposed to play it.
Not when we have pre-scheduled stuff.
But listen, I just be like, you know what I'm saying? Like let's just, you know what I'm saying, push that to, we can do that tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? When I'm not doing this. You know what I'm saying? When I haven't already pre-planned.
No.
But anyway, as I was saying about 2K, why this got the shrimp in the camera. But I appreciate that. I play it. So I mean, I like it, but 2K17 was definitely my favorite 2K because of the dribbling. And everybody had the ability to shoot, no matter what build it was. But they're trying to make it too realistic, and it's kind of messing the game up. Not gonna lie, just like they're trying to do with Mad. They're trying to make it real life, and it's really messing up the game. Like on Madden, I know if you play Madden, you fumble pretty much anytime you get hit, almost. So, you know, but you know, it is what it is. It's still about it, so I'm gonna play it.
But I feel like 2K20, they got a lot of fix. You know, it just came out. Like they say, the dribbling really sucks. Like you can't dribble on there at all.
Unless you got handles for the Hall of Fame, or well, you gotta have that. Ankle breaker Hall of Fame, or quick first step Hall of Fame. A combination of those.
And then every jump shot's close, so you need quick draw on these goals so it can be decent. And then they got a lot of glitches for you to rep up faster. Like I seen somebody hit 94 one day because they were doing the glitch, and 94 takes a good minute. Not gonna lie.
The game just came out, it hasn't even been a month.
Well, some people are at 99 legit. Like they just be sitting on there at their job is to play the video games and they get paid.
Wish I got paid to do that. But I'm not that good. My attention span is not that long to sit there and just play the game. Like I'm definitely gonna get bored and want to go do something. But
Me personally, how I feel about 2K20 right now, it's just been taking up a lot of time. I don't like it. He talking about he can't come over. CJ ain't posting like 3 days,
Almost a week.
and like, what's happening? I don't like it. I don't like it.
gotta get out 2 kills.
I felt neglected.
Alright, so I'm talking about Madden. Let's go out to Marcus. I dogged him, man. That's alright. He's something. Yeah, I'm really dragging. Alright, so how I feel about Madden? I don't play Madden at all. But somebody's sweating Madden. I ain't gonna say who, but somebody's sweating Madden. They be putting up like 20 on all Madden AI. I'll be like, can't do those. I can't put 100 on a rookie, so I know I can't do 100 on Madden, all Madden. But all I know is that we boy named Harvey 46. That boy talking to one day, and I had Raymond PS4, so hop on Madden. Sean gonna share play Marcus Madden, right? So we play Mark. So we go to like regular play now, I forgot what team I had, but I think I had the I had the Cowboys, and I think he had the Rams. I'm talking about. All right, so first he get ball first and all, right? He don't score, he trash. I score first time, 7-0. I get the ball back because he trash. I score again, 10-0. He throw a pick, 6. And then I get the ball back again. I score again, so now 22-0. So he already got 21 skunks, so he should already quit. That boy kept going. And the score ended up being like 37-6. He quit the game because he was going to get scored on again. That boy trash. So Mercy, if you're watching this, you suck. Just stop talking to him. You trash, my guy. You suck at every game you play. Just 2K.
I mean, I ain't gonna say I'm all that good at Madden, but I do feel like I'm pretty good. You know, I be beating the people I play. So, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm pretty good in that regard, because I mean, I feel like some of the people I know how to play are pretty good. But I just don't like all the fumbling in Madden. You know, I mean, but other than that, I always like Madden. I always play it, but when 2K come out, of course, Madden kind of goes on the back burner until, like, you know, 2K got an update or something. I might be like, all right, let me pop Madden in there real quick, go ahead and play a quick game. But yeah, I mean, I play Madden, so you know what I'm saying. If anybody want to add me on PlayStation Network, you know what I'm saying, Metro _Boomin __, you know what I'm saying, y'all want to add me and see what's up, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, Mafia, that was it for this mukbang. If you guys like that, make sure you drop a like. Really? Make sure y'all drop a like on this video and subscribe if you already have not. And go ahead.
Follow our social media accounts in our outro, you know, and in the description down below. You know, comment some content y'all want to see from us. You know, let us know what we can do better. You know what I'm saying? Constructive criticism is always welcome. Y'all know, just spam our notifications. Let us know what's up.
All right, you guys. We will see y'all in the next video.